Why do some rivers flood more often than others? Breaking news for those curious about our waterways. With recent heavy rains causing significant flooding in various regions, the question on many minds is, why do some rivers flood more often than others? Understanding this topic is essential as it affects communities and ecosystems alike. Let's get into the details that can help you grasp this pressing issue. Rivers flood more frequently due to a mix of natural and human factors. The first key reason is rainfall patterns. Regions that experience intense or frequent heavy rainfall are more likely to see flooding. The amount and intensity of rain directly impact how much water enters rivers. For instance, some areas are statistically more prone to extreme rainfall events, leading to increased flood risks. Next, land use and development play a significant role. In urban areas, the prevalence of impervious surfaces like roads and buildings prevents water from soaking into the ground. This leads to more runoff entering rivers, raising flood potential. Additionally, zoning laws sometimes allow construction in flood-prone areas, which heightens vulnerability to repeated flooding. Another factor is topography and soil type. Steep slopes and soils that do not absorb water well result in quicker runoff into rivers. Conversely, flat areas with poor drainage can experience prolonged flooding as water accumulates. Climate change is also a major player in this scenario. Changing climate patterns are increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. This includes heavy rainfall and storms that can lead to river flooding. Rising temperatures can impact river flow patterns and sedimentation, further influencing flood behavior. Lastly, water management practices can significantly affect flood risks. Human interventions like dams, levees, and water diversions can alter natural river flow. While these measures can sometimes reduce flood risks, they can also increase risks downstream or during extreme weather events. In summary, rivers flood more often where heavy rainfall coincides with land use that increases runoff, unfavorable topography, and climate changes that intensify weather extremes. Human decisions about land development and water management also strongly affect flood frequency and severity. Understanding these factors can help communities better prepare for and respond to flooding events.